welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mama Z, and today guys we will do unboxing of this head doll for hairdresser. So I am not a hairdresser guys, it's just I love to style hair. I cannot do guys with my own behind, it's give me a hard time, so I need an assistant guys so I can do it by her. So we will call her Madam Ellie because my son gave that name to her. So yeah, so this one is styling training head. So I will be trained and I will make you more beautiful, I promise. So yeah, it has a 80 centimeter hair longer than mine because I have a 73 centimeter hair guys. So yeah, now we will do unboxing. Okay, so there's gifts here guys. Okay, so we will open it together and we will see so what we can do with this beautiful doll. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so we will do unboxing now. We will see. So this is the hair of Ellie, guys. Wow, it's nice. It's 80 centimeter. Are you sure? Mine is more longer. Mine is more longer. I don't know if it's 80 centimeter. I will try to measure, guys. So I will try guys to measure if it's really 80 centimeter because I don't believe because I have a 73 centimeter and it cannot be because mine is more longer. Okay, so I will try. It's only 68 centimeter guys. 68 centimeter and not 80 centimeter. Okay, we will do so the quality of the hair is nice. Okay, it's soft guys, as you can see. It's soft. Wow. I love this. And so yeah, inside there. So there's a gift here. Other gifts. Oh, okay, that's all. So have a 2 elastic. Okay, so have on for hairstyle. We will open it. So inside there is like this 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is what you can do. One. Okay, and this one is I think for stand the head. On the head. This one, I don't know what's this. Okay, so I think you have, it's like that. Come on, wait. Ah, wait, it's like that. You have to put first this one, after this. Okay. So it's like that. You have to, oops. So you can move the doll. Not too much. You can move it. If you want like this, like that. Okay. And now we have to attach this one. Oh no, open. So we can attach the doll. So I will attach here. So I attach here, guys. And now we will put the hair. Okay, guys, so yeah. So I can attach here, guys, so I can do the hairstyle here. Okay. I cannot put here because of this. And that's the only place I can put. Okay. Hair like this. Oh, it's very soft. The hair is very soft and silky. Okay. These are my accessories for my hair. Okay, so now I will just take where's my clip? Like this. So your face is not, your hair is not on your face. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, we will start just like this. So yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can also give this one as a present for your little ones who like to do a hairstyle for their doll. So this one is more bigger and more real. You know, the hair is more realistic. So I'm sure they will be happy, guys. It's a good idea. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. So please watch us together what style I can give to my Ellie. So see you in my next vlog. Bye!